Shaukat Nawaz Raja was one of the most revered architects of the subcontinent and an internationally respected cultural figure. Born in Rawalpindi in 1948, Shaukat Nawaz Raja grew up in a rather urbane household by parents deeply involved with the intellectual and creative development of their children. He had a heightened appreciation for buildings from his early childhood, and in his view, his profession, which he would later master, was in many ways chosen for him at an early age.
The foremost things that I remember about him is that when we started communicating and all, he was a foreigner to the family because he always lived in boarding houses. पहले नाना जान के घर रहे, उसके बाद लॉरेंस कॉलेज चले गए और उसके बाद 6 महीने पिंडी रहे and then UET and then off to France. So ज़्यादातर फैमिली को मैं हंसती थी कि मैंने आपको इंट्रोड्यूस किया शौकत राजा से. Nobody knew him that way.
I think that, when you look at Raja, obviously that all this finesse that he has and the talent, the creativity, you keep thinking, what is the root of all of this? And then, if you know his family, particularly if you look at what his mother was like, so you realize that I think a lot of that came from his mother.
शौकत वॉज अ वेरी इंटीग्रेटेड पर्सन, यानी उसकी ज़िंदगी कोई हिस्सों में नहीं बटी हुई थी. ही वॉज एन इंटीग्रेटेड पर्सन. ही वॉज अ थिंकिंग पर्सन, ही वॉज हैप्पी पर्सन, जोवियल, ही लव्ड म्यूजिक, ही लव्ड टू एंजॉय हिमसेल्फ, बट ऑल्सो व्हेन इट केम टू वर्क ही वॉज वेरी सीरियस. वो दिल लगा के काम करता था, मज़ा लेके करता था.
I know him from my school days. We go back to Lawrence College, Ghodagali. We call it GG, up in the Murray Hills.
शौकत मुझसे 2 साल सीनियर थे. घरेलू किस्म का अच्छा किस्म का माहौल होता था जहाँ पे कोई कॉम्प्लेक्स नहीं होते थे किसी को, और दैट इज़ फ्रॉम वेयर आई स्टार्टेड ड्राइंग.
हिस्से लताफत के तमाम जो बाअतम मौजूद थे, जो आप उसके शाहकारों में भी देख सकेंगे, जो आप उसके बिल्डिंग में भी देख सकेंगे. इस 30-35 साल के अरसे में शौकत के साथ जो वक्त गुजरा वो ज़िंदगी का इंतहाई खूबसूरत वक्त था.
He'd watch me dribbling with the football and would smile and be really proud of what I was doing, and taught me mathematics. He was a major influence in that sense, or music maybe, classical Western music, and even other legendary bands like Beatles and Pink Floyd. He introduced me to this kind of music. Otherwise, I'd still be stuck listening to hip hop and rap most of my days.
In 1970, he graduated with a gold medal in architecture from the University of Engineering and Technology, and in 1975 went on to receive a DPLG from the School of Fine Arts and Architecture of Marseille, a fully funded scholarship awarded by the government of France.
And Shaukat Raja, when we got engaged, so Shaukat said to me that, architecture is my first love. That actually made me respect this man. Because you have to, whatever you do, you have to do it with a passion. There were lots of things, and then he said, a wife and a husband are like the tracks of a rail that go straight and parallel.
I still remember in first year when Professor Irshad Birni introduced very proudly Shaukat Raja as his graduate who was on his way to Paris to take over master's level, to do his master's in architecture, and he got a scholarship because he did well.
And that was also a difficult year in Pakistan because there were no jobs and nobody was getting any work. So most of our class fellows had to leave and go to America. Was a great kind of a frontier on those days. But Raja got a job I'm quite sure about that he got employed at Murad Khan's. Before he went off to France, I think he was working there.
फ्रेंच कहते थे कि he is more French than us. वहाँ पे बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा खुश थे. हर तरीके से उन्होंने उनका कल्चर सारा कुछ एक्सेप्ट किया, फिर ट्रैवल किया, फिर वहाँ पे अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बड़ा अच्छा अपना नाम वहाँ पे बनाया. कॉम्पिटिशन्स विन की, फोटोग्राफी में इंटरेस्ट था, फोटोग्राफी के भी अच्छे अवार्ड्स लेते रहे. वहीं जाके इन्होंने कुकिंग का शौक़ इनको पैदा हुआ. फ्रेंच सैलड बनाना तकरीबन सारे ख़ानदान को इन्होंने सिखाया.
He worked diligently in architectural design offices of France till 1981 as then the head of the cabinet of Louis Schneider at the Office Atelier d'Architecture. Major works included large-scale hospitals, over 1,500 square meters of housing schemes. Shaukat Nawaz Raja moved to Lahore in 1981 and started work as the principal architect at the Pakistan Environmental Planning and Architectural Consultants. He was given precedence over a staff of over 50 professionals and was yet again placed in the forefront for expansive design projects such as the 115 acres Ayub Medical College and Teaching Hospital Complex, District Headquarters Hospital Aptabad. His own practice included extensive housing schemes, the only of their kind in Lahore, such as the Eden Canal Villas, Eden Palace Villas, Eden City, Royal Gardens, Eden Defence Villas, Divine Annexe Lahore, Vilayat Complex Rawalpindi, and the very successful Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan Housing Colony Quetta in 2006. He also designed various residential projects for affluent figures such as the Saqib Abbasi Residency in Islamabad. His various projects from the hospitality sector include the 400,000 square foot Shifa International Hospital, Islamabad, and Israr Hospital, Hyderabad. He also delved into the educational sector, designing and supervising construction of the Sheikh Zayed International School, Islamabad.
और फ्रांस में ऑब्वियसली एक फ्रेंच ट्रेडिशन है और एक यूरोपियन ट्रेडिशन है और जो भी है उसका असर तो था, उसके काम में था. सो ही वॉज व्हाट यू कुड कॉल ए मॉडर्निस्ट एंड शुरू में ही वॉजंट वेरी सिंपैथेटिक टू लोकल इडियम एंड लोकल क्राफ्ट. बट ग्रेजुअली जब वो पाकिस्तान में उसने काम बनाना शुरू किया तो यू कुड सी कि वो एक चेंज आ रहा है उसके अंदर.
क्योंकि शौकत का ऑफिस घर में ही था, बेसमेंट में ऑफिस था और ऊपर उसका घर था. तो शाम को दफ्तर के बाद हम वहीं बैठे रहते थे. शौकत अपने बेटे के साथ बेतहाशा प्यार करता था. कोई मुश्किल आ जाए, कोई मसला हो, शौकत फटाफट अपना काम छोड़ के उस बच्चे के ख्याल के लिए. शौकत की बेगम के साथ बड़े ख़ूबसूरत ताल्लुकात थे. शौकत की बेगम बहुत ही हमदर्द खातून थी और उन्हें शौकत से ये गिला होता था कि शौकत कुछ अपनी भी सेहत का ख्याल किया करें. रात के 2-2 बजे तक काम हो रहा है. कहती है रात को क्यों काम करते हो? हम कहते हैं रात को सुकून होता है इसलिए. मुख्तलिफ़ औक़ात में शौकत के साथ फ़न मौसीकी का प्रोग्राम चलता था. शौकत के पास अपना रिकॉर्ड का बेतहाशा कलेक्शन था और उसको उस सारे मौसीकी के ऊपर काफ़ी कमांड थी.
उसके बाद then we dragged him into Pakistan Council of Architects and Planners. Shaukat Saab served for a few years and then he was in IAP. He served as president of IAP.
I also worked with Shaukat Raja at the Institute of Architects, Pakistan. He served as the institute's president. We went to represent the institute at Jakarta at the Arcasia, which is the Architects Regional Council Asia. And there I still remember his fondness for joy, his fondness for hard work, and the way he looked at life, that one day in Jakarta, almost around midnight, he got all the lights on at the club to dance, and we danced all night.
But in the years that I've known Raja, I mean, I've learned to respect Temina a lot. Temina was like a rock in his life. She stood by him. She kept her life on hold and stood by him. She herself had health problems, but I don't think I've ever seen her waver for a minute. She was there for him. And then she tolerated the likes of us also, which was quite good.
The final years of Shaukat Nawaz Raja's life were filled with honours and praise, as well as national recognition for his body of work. He passed away at the age of 70 in Lahore, and his legacy of great architectural work lives on in the young minds he inspired and the influence of so many that have carried on his simple yet direct and unique style.
और कैवलरी में दाने बैरी होने का इनकी अपनी वसीयत थी। मुझे कहते हैं तुम्हारे और शाहरुख के लिए आसानी रहेगी नजदीक। और फिर वहाँ पे बहुत बड़े खूबसूरत दरख्त हैं पुराने।